Money-saving boiler challenge tips. Hello and welcome to today's video on how to save money with your boiler. In this video, we'll be discussing several ways you can make your boiler more energy efficient and ultimately save you money on your heating costs. First and foremost, regular maintenance is key to keeping your boiler running efficiently. Having your boiler serviced at least once a year can help identify and fix any problems before they become more costly. This can include checking for leaks, cleaning the burners and checking the flue for proper ventilation. Another way to save money with your boiler is by insulating your home. Insulation can help reduce heat loss and keep your boiler from having to work as hard to heat your home. This can be done by adding insulation to your attic, walls, and floors. Additionally, sealing any drafts around windows and doors can also help keep the heat in. A programmable thermostat is another great tool for controlling your heating costs. By setting specific temperatures for different times of the day, you can ensure your home is only being heated when you need it to be. This can also be controlled remotely through your smartphone, so you can adjust the temperature even when you're not at home. If your boiler is old or inefficient, upgrading to a newer, high-efficiency model can also help you save money on your heating costs over time. High-efficiency boilers use less energy and produce fewer emissions, which can result in significant savings on your energy bill. Another way to save money with your boiler is by reducing its usage. Lowering the temperature of your home when you are not at home or when you are sleeping can help you save money on your energy bill. Additionally, turning off your boiler when you're going on vacation can also help you save money. Finally, using renewable energy sources can also help you save money with your boiler. Consider installing solar panels or a heat pump to supplement your boiler. These can help reduce your dependence on fossil fuels and ultimately save you money on your energy costs over time. So, there you have it, several ways to save money with your boiler. Remember, regular maintenance, insulation, thermostat control, upgrading to a high-efficiency boiler, reducing usage and using renewable energy sources can all help you save money on your heating costs. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.